morning everyone, and welcome to another video about BIM Blacksmith. Today I'm going to be introducing a new feature about how to prepare payment application. So at the start, the payment application mainly it works from actual progress worked on site. So now we're going to be going to the week work in order to see what did people do progress. So for instance, if you go to progressible object here, I will see that somebody did some job on the following bill of quantities, and you can see that they did the excavation, rebar, concrete, and so on. If we take this into consideration, now if I go to the payment application, I have already two existing payment application. I'm going to create a new one. So now let us give it a name. So this will be payment application relating to month number 5. And then let's give it a description. So this will be the payment application for maybe April 2020. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all of these. Mainly these are the available fronts. So I can see, for example, cumulative quantity and available quantity. This is how much I have already progressed on and how much I have already let's say did a payment application on. So for example, the 14.2 is what I did not bill yet, even though I have progress on. The 24.75 is how much I have progress, but I did not bill yet out of the 128, which I am supposed to bill, basically. So now, if we go back to the week work, and let's filter out, for example, the windows, just to see what sort of progress I have on those windows. So if I open the progressible object, I can see that I have, for example, the 30% install and 40% align, but I did not do any sealing. If we take all of those that are happening on the aluminum itself, and if I come here, this is where I have found mainly my 14.2. This is why I have commas. Now I select all and I added them. Then definitely, if I don't want to claim all the available payment application, what I can do, I can put some smaller number maybe. So for example, I know that this one, I don't want to claim all of it. I will claim maybe 80 of it. And then I will create this payment application. You can see that the payment application have been created and it has revision 1. I can preview it in PDF. I can definitely view it just to see its content. If I want to mainly copy this and put it somewhere in an Excel, I can see the total. And now, if for any reason after I send it to the client, he told me, look, you're not eligible for all of these. So now I can revise my payment application. And let's say, for example, he told me you cannot claim 75, you have to claim a lesser number. So I'm going to put 60. And maybe instead of the 16.75 glasses, he told me you are only eligible for 11. And definitely for the flooring, he told me you are eligible for 60. Now I do the update. You see the revision changed mainly. Now I can receive this one if I get the approval from the client. And mainly I can settle it. After I settle it, it will be available for me as a payment application. I can make a printout out of it, and in the future we are planning to make a link between this and the BIM 360 so that we will have actually the signed one accordingly. Well, thank you for your time.